guys, Alex Pushkar here with Siren Marine in another episode of Siren U. Today we're going to be unboxing our MTC+2 kit. This is our starter kit for our connected boat system. In here we have our MTC device, 2 wireless sensor modules, and 3 wireless sensor tail options. We're going to dive into this and show you how we break this down. Okay guys, so when you first open your MTC+2 box, the first thing you're going to see is your MTC device. That's your standard MTC unit. The only thing that we've done here obviously is paired it with a few of our wireless sensor options. We also have 2 internal batteries for the wireless sensor modules. You'll be needing to open these modules up and insert those wireless sensor batteries, but you can see that in our wireless sensor pairing video. We have our 2 wireless sensor modules, and below that we'll show you our 3 sensor tail options that we provide to you in this kit. Our first is our wireless high water sensor, our magnetic entry switch, and our wireless battery cable. Now it's important to note, obviously, you're still going to need to hardwire the MTC to power, but you can use our wireless battery sensor to expand maybe to another bank or a bank farther away from the Siren Marine installation. Then obviously we have our installation manuals for both the MTC and app guide for the MTC, as well as our wireless sensor guide. We still include the hardwired power cable directly for the MTC unit, our small handy dandy Siren Marine screwdriver, and 4 mounting screws for the MTC bracket. So we provided you with 2 wireless sensor modules and 3 wireless sensor tail options. Depending on your installation needs, you can pick 2 of the 3 and pair with our 2 wireless sensor modules. My name's Alex Pushkar with Siren Marine, and this has been another episode of Siren U.